Hey Shooby Doodlers, did you see last Friday's video where I showed you this thing which Dylan made for me and sent to me? What's it about? Click up here and you can go and see the video to find out what this is for. Actually, I'll tell you, it's a compass for drawing circles. It looks a bit weird, it looks a bit dangerous actually. I mentioned that a lot of kids don't get to draw things with compasses these days because of this sharp point, and explained how I'd made a series of videos on my other channel, Draw Stuff Real Easy, click up here, about Euclid and geometry. Big Dave left a comment that said, "Do your Euclid videos include bisecting a line by drawing circles?" I enjoyed that when I was a kid. I didn't enjoy that as a kid. I loved that as a kid. I just loved playing with a compass and dividing things up. So today I'm going to show you how to bisect a line, creating a perpendicular using a compass. Someone's going to comment on my thumb. No, I haven't stabbed it. I just got a bit sore from working with gardening gloves. Now, this is a very clever device that Dylan has created. Dylan's website address is in the comments box below. Go and check it out. See why and how he designed and built this compass. We put the pen inside the compass like that. But first of all, what I'm going to do is to draw a line. So let's go like that. I've been using this ruler for years as a cutting guide and I've sort of scraped bits out of it so it's not the straightest line. And then what do we do? Well, if we come to this, put a point right at the end there. I'm going to open up the compass a little bit so that I can, say, draw a circle. I think you're going to do it somewhere about there, and then I'm going to tighten this up. So I'm not, well, yeah, I'm going to draw a circle. It's going to be a big circle, but you're not seeing it all, are you? And then over here at this end, I'm going to put the point right on the end, and I'm going to draw another circle going this way. Woo! And it goes off and it kind of comes back round again the other side. And I'm going to have to zoom out a little bit so you can see all of this. And what have we got? You've got a point there and you've got a point there. I'm going to remove my pen now from the compass. Thank you, Dylan. And I'm going to put the ruler so that these lines, so that the line is going to join that crossing point to that crossing point. I'm sure there's a technical term for it. I can't think of it at the moment. And what you have done now is from that point to that point is exactly the same distance as that point to that point. So you have bisected the line, cut it into two, but also you have drawn a perpendicular. So this line is exactly 90 degrees. So this is a perpendicular line that is bisecting the original line. Yes, I used to love doing that as a kid, I really did. And I tell you what, tomorrow I will show you how to bisect an angle. This gets more exciting by the day, doesn't it? On Friday I'm going to have a live show, and on there I'm going to choose the comment from last Friday's, or this one, that suggests the best kind of drawing video I could do using circles created by Dylan's compass. So if you've got any ideas, put them in the thinking box below. Thinking box, comments box. And in the meantime, keep drawing, keep bisecting. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.